lovely new range of product that we're doing on small domestic appliances from Dualit. These are British made, they're made in East Sussex. They've been around since 1946, but since 1950 been producing something that's very, very similar to this. This product is the 4-slice toaster, but there are many other products in the range, and the stainless steel products are amazing. They look good, they're easy to keep clean. The great thing about these, they're designed with sustainability in mind. So they're totally repairable. They're hand built in the factory, which means there aren't any security screws, it's not riveted, not glued. You can take them apart, or you know, tradesmen can take them apart, replace elements, springs, thermostats. So once you buy a product like this, it's going to last you an awfully long time, even with a few minor repairs. So it looks good, it's great value for money, and you've got that longevity and sustainability.